welcome back to my channel. My name is Fabiola Renteria, and if you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. So today I will be making tortas de milanesa. Basically what it is just a bolillo with breaded beef, but it has to be the thin milanesa beef. And just bread it with any type of breading that you have. So let's start with. So here I have my meat, that's milanesa. This is for our breading, and then this is the breading that I have is spicy breaded crumbs by Chef Merito. I don't know if you guys can get a hold of this, but if you can't, this is the one I have, and you can use whatever you have. So, and then I'm gonna need 2 eggs, salt and pepper. And then for our toppings, I will use queso fresco, onion, tomato, avocado, and lettuce. And then that's my bolillo. And that's it. So here I already went and I add the salt and pepper into my 2 eggs, and I mixed it around. So now I'm just dipping the meat into the egg. And then now I just tap it into the breading. If you want a thicker breading, then you can do it, repeat the process. But for me, this is fine. I like just 1 coat of breading. So, and then that's it. I'm just going to repeat the whole thing. Okay, so now it's time to fry our milanesa. I did go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for a little bit just so it can set. But now it's time to fry our milanesa. I do always use olive oil. It's just what I like. And it doesn't burn it either. Okay, so I went ahead and left it for about 4 minutes, and now it's time to flip it. You don't have to leave it for that long because this meat is super thin, so it should be good with like about 3 minutes. You'll know when it's ready. I'm gonna leave it for another 3 minutes on this side, and then that's it. Okay, so here I have all the ingredients. I did forget to mention that you're gonna have to add beans. That's just like if it was mayo too. But before that, I am gonna toast my bread, my bolillo. And then I'm gonna toast it with mayo. So it gives it a good crisp and also flavor. So here's my bolillo. It's like you can see right here how good it looks. And that's it. You only have to do it on one side. If you want to do it on the other side, it's fine. Okay, so here I have the beans. And then also the meat. A couple slices of cheese. Tomato, onion, avocado. I like adding jalapenos. It's optional if you don't want to add them, you don't have to. And then the lettuce. And that's it for the torta. So for this recipe, I did call my son to come and taste it because he does love torta, so I do need his approval. Really good. Like it? So that's it for this recipe. I hope you guys liked it. It's super easy to make, so if you guys do end up making it, don't forget to tag me on it. And for you guys that are new for this channel, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and turn on your little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.